Hey legal professionals, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Here at Legally Techie, we show you how to use Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suites, for your law firm or solo practice. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of Google Chats and also Google Spaces and how you can use it within your solo practice or law firm. So the first thing you want to do, you log into your environment. You can access Google Chats here, clicking on the waffle or the 9 dots here, and clicking on Chats. So once you're within Google Chats, you have the options of Chats, Spaces, and Meet, and we're going to go over that in a bit. We also have the options to search, go ahead and change our status and some settings, and then some quick access integrations here. So we're going to go not too much in detail. This will be a nice overview, but you're going to go ahead and learn a little bit more about Google Workspace and its chat feature. So within chats here, you'll be able to see individual conversations or group conversations that you have. So if you were to have a one-on-one or if you have a couple of people within a chat, it quickly allows you to share information, whether it be a doc or meeting ID and so forth within that conversation. But if you do want something more collaborative, where you can assign tasks, people can see what they need to work on, see files that's guarding them, you can go ahead and create a space. So within Google Spaces, you have the option here within the chat under Litigation Support Team. This can be kind of like a version of Slack. I wouldn't say it's there yet, but you can go ahead and have the conversations you need within the individual. You can also have the files as well. And then within there, you can also have tasks. And I did test this out. If you were to create a task and assign it to a person or yourself, it will show up on your taskbar in your quick access. So right here, review legal pleading document, and it actually shows you the chat that was assigned, litigation support team. So that's pretty cool. I like that feature. Just going back to the chat, here you'll see the conversations. Also too, when you need to compose, you have the option to use the @ sign, and you can go ahead and do that at the person. You also have the options to add emojis, and who doesn't love a nice emoji? You have the options to add GIFs. You can go ahead and upload things from your computer. You can go ahead and add things from your Google Drive file. Here you can actually create a document right within the space, and you have to add a meeting. You click on that, it quickly give a link for people to just jump on a meeting call. And also too, if you need to create a new meeting, you can do just that. And then from there, as you can see, it already has the title of the team chat and all the people that are within that are members of that chat as well. So they'll be able to get that meeting invitation. Okay. And then as it says here in meetings, very easy, create a new meeting, my meetings, and so forth. And if you go back to, let's say, the one-on-one chats or the group chats, you don't necessarily have that availability to create a new document straight from there, as you can see. And it just doesn't give you that files and also the task option here. And that applies even for group messages that you create within a chat. Now, when you want to create a new chat, as you can see, the plus sign here allows you to just create, again, a conversation, whether group or one-on-one. You can create a space. You can go ahead and browse these spaces. So there may be some spaces that you're not necessarily a member of. You can search your law firm spaces and request to be added there. You can go ahead and add a bot as well. So when you click on that button, you have these integrations that you can add for your law firm. And you can go ahead and get notifications and so forth and updates using the bots from there. And just like that, you have the same options if you were to create it here. Now, something regarding when you create a space, and also the same with the chats, you can pin it, unpin it. You can also set up the notifications, how you want to be notified. You can always leave a room, and you can also block it if you're invited someone outside your law firm that doesn't seem safe. There isn't an option as of yet to delete spaces. That's something I have to look into, and I'll put it down below if that changes. But so far it's the same as well. Pin, notifications, you want to block the person, and so forth. You can actually delete this conversation. How nice. Okay. Also too, you can change your status, and you also have this little status where you can add little emojis and so forth. Vacationing, out sick. So if you're in court, you can go ahead and put in court or in trial, and you can go ahead and add that emoji of a courthouse, whatever it may be. Quickly within the settings, very easy to use. You can have the options of when you get notified and the sounds. Also to what email notifications you want. You want smart reply, and you know the famous dark mode. You can go ahead and have that done as well. So again, this is just a quick overview of Google Chats, something you can use within your law firm to quickly facilitate your teams, whether you have paralegals, different departments within your law firm as well. You can go ahead and use that to be able to make sure communications are on point. So thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them for you.